A for apple, apple money seed. B for ball, ball means game. C for car, car means car. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for giraffe, giraffe means giraffe. H for hen, hen means murgi. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for loin, loin means sher. M for mango, mango means aam. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santra. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rabbit, rabbit means khargosh. S for ship, ship means jahaz. T for train, train means train. U for umbrella, umbrella means chata. V for van, van means gadi. W for watch, watch means ghadi. X for Xmas, Xmas means Xmas. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Thanks for watching friends. Please like, share and subscribe. Abdul Jahan classes for more and new videos. Bye bye friends.